This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Like the weatherman was right today, it is absolutely a beautiful day. We have some crows here and some pigeons. You can see them up there and there and up on the roof. You see them up on the roof. Look at them all. You see these spikes on the church really don't work. The slope of their roof is it's not steep enough, so they can still perch. I don't know. If they had asked me, I would have told them to save their money. But I guess it keeps them from perching on the very edge of the top. Oh, we have a couple pigeons here. Look at those guys. They're waiting for the grain there. They know that's coming. Oh, beautiful Thursday morning. Oh, after so far a very stressful week. I don't know if Charlie will come down. Charlie did come down yesterday. He was really awesome yesterday, last night. The bird with the molted feathers, black and white feathers, he comes pretty near to me. And I was walking over toward the electrical box, and he met me halfway in the tall grass, and I threw him a piece of sausage. Well, Charlie saw that. Oh, look at them coming here. Look at that. Not too afraid today, are they? Look at our little crows today. Well, anyway, Charlie saw that. All of a sudden, something like a black phantom, I could feel his feathers across my face. He landed like 2 inches in front of me in that tall grass, and he said, hey mama, what are you doing here? Don't give him my sausage. And so look at the birds up on the ledge. There we go. Look at the birds up on the ledge there. Boy, you hear that sound? That sounds like the hawk. It almost sounds like the hawk. Is Jeremy here? I'm not sure. Charlie. That's Charlie, though. Come, Charlie. Here, Charlie. Here, honey. Here, Charlie. There you go. There you go, Charlie. There's Charlie. There's Charlie. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Huh? Charlie wanted his cheese. Charlie's getting a load of cheese. There he goes. I'm not sure, was that the sound of the hawk? Or... Okay, guys. There we go. Save some of this for over there. I'm going to go to the sparrows now. The pigeons are over there. Oh, that's the seagull. Oh, that's Seymour. That's Seymour. Of course, somebody had to honk their horn. That was Seymour. We have kids across the street. Guess they're waiting. I don't really want them in my video, so Ah, that was Seymour. Seymour had just landed. Oh, now he's going to come in again. There he is. There he is. Now he's grabbing something to eat there. There's our little Seymour. It's about time I gave him a name. I'm just being quiet, trying not to move, to give Seymour time to eat and the crows something to eat. Charlie came down by himself and he got his cheese, his Gutdammer cheese, which he loves best next to cheddar. He's on a cheese binge now, and I've been cutting down the cheese, so he needs to eat other things. I don't want him to have too much cheese, too much salt, and the birds are lactose intolerant, so it's supposed to just be a snack. And I don't mind if he grabs 1 or 2 pieces, perhaps a day or every other day. But recently he's only taking that, so I may not put that in the bag anymore. Force him to take the nuts and something else besides the cheese. Well, looks like Seymour's having a good day. I don't see the hawk, so, but I think it's better that way. The hawks are probably have better feeding opportunities with all the nesting going on, and it's amazing. The pigeons are right in there. It's just amazing how those. Someone's set out the call. Someone set out the warning call. Seymour's paying attention to that. He's thinking, what's that? There's a molted bird just flew over. There's a lot of white on his wings. The whole underneath of his wings are all white. Seymour's still there eating. This is the closest I've been able to get to the birds for a long time. But you see, as soon as I put the food down, they came and landed. And that's what they used to be over a year ago. If you look at my first videos, they were more or less like they are today. So you can see that these pigeons are not wild pigeons here. They're from the pigeon handler. That's why you see all the different colors and types. And oh, there's someone here looking for me in the tall grass. Oh, birdie. But if I throw something out now, that'll disturb all the birds eating here. I'm going to move along. I got a lot of things to do today, and Seymour took off, and now we just have pigeons, and it's amazing. But there are pigeons over there, but there are also pigeons over here eating the crow's food. Amazing, those little pigeons. So I'm going to move on and put some seed down for the sparrows. I'm going to move this way. before those kids come across the street. I'm not going to put anything on the electrical box because Charlie already came down. I only do that to lure Charlie. So it's not very good to do that. I see everything's gone here. So we'll put down the seed here. Have seed mixed with grain for the sparrows. Looks like they finished that all up. So we'll put that out for the sparrows. I don't see them right here or hear them. But obviously the fact that it's all gone, they must have been here. We'll move back this way. The kids are lined up to cross the street, so I don't want any of those on my video, any of those children. It's so nice the grass isn't wet. So I won't get in the car with wet shoes today. But yeah, they've got plenty to eat there. And no hawks today, which is great. Which is why I think the crows are much more comfortable today. That almost looked like Charlie who flew around me. Oh, I spoke too soon. There's the hawk.